What are the first words that come to mind when you see this cup?
When I see this cup, I think coffee.
Hot.
$4 a cup.
Pumpkin spice latte.
It's easy to think that's all there is to this cup. For a moment, though, let's look at this cup of coffee through the lens of AP Human Geography. In the beginning, we start thinking spatially. For example, where did the actual coffee bean from this cup of coffee come from? In this case, it was Ethiopia. The paper cups were made in Mexico. The company's logos and business plans were crafted in Seattle. These three places are now interconnected through the economy of coffee. Next, we study the current and past settlement and migration of people and how this spreads ideas. We try to understand why in the price breakdown of a cup of coffee does so little of the profit go to the primary level of economic activity. We'll examine where and how things are grown and their impact on the environment and people. And lastly, we think about the people who participated in the coffee economy. Who actually picked that coffee berry from the bush? What is their life like? How much money do they make? What do they do with it? Do they buy clothing, food? What's the education system like in their How do they love? What language do they How do they form a sense of What identity? Religion do they What are their dreams? Do they have access? Do they even drink coffee? So why should you take AP Human Geography? It gets you connected with the interconnection. AP Human Geography gives you the power to see the invisible economic, social, political, and environmental stories behind everything.